Assalamu Alaikum everyone, we are halfway through Ramadan. Be honest, the excitement of the first few days, the energy, the motivation. It feels different now, doesn't it? You're tired, school assignments are piling up. Maybe exams are coming. Maybe you stayed up too late. Maybe you missed a prayer. Maybe your Qur'an goals slowed down. And you're thinking, am I failing Ramadan? Let me tell you something important. This feeling is normal. Ramadan is not just about starting strong, it's about staying sincere. And the middle 10 days? They are the days of forgiveness. Allah gives us mercy at the beginning, forgiveness in the middle, and freedom at the end. This is your reset moment. Let's check in. Are my prayers improving? Am I praying on time? Am I focusing more? Is my character improving? Am I more patient? Am I speaking better? Am I controlling my anger? Because Ramadan is not just about hunger. It is about transformation. Allah says in the Qur'an, "O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah forgives all sins, no matter what happened in the first 10 days. It is never too late." Maybe you're dealing with laziness, school pressure, exams, stress, lack of sleep, and you feel like you're falling behind. Listen carefully. You are a student. You are fasting. You are trying. That already matters. Islam does not expect perfection. It expects effort. You can study hard. You can chase your goals. You can compete in this competitive world and still hold your faith strong. But you must have balance. Study with excellence. Worship with sincerity. Rest without guilt. Work without forgetting Allah. These middle days are about asking Allah to forgive you, but also, have you hurt your parents? Have you spoken badly to your friends? Have you disrespected a teacher? Have you ignored someone who needed you? Ramadan is the best time to fix relationships. Send that message. Say sorry. Hug your parents. Thank your teachers. Forgive your friends. Because sometimes Allah forgives us when we forgive others. Many youth make huge Ramadan goals. I will read the whole Qur'an 3 times. I will pray every single night, perfectly. I will change my whole life in 30 days. And then when they miss one day, they give up. But the Prophet taught us, the most beloved deeds to Allah are those that are consistent even if small. So instead of doing everything, pray on time, read one page, make one sincere dua, help one person, control one bad habit, small, consistent, real. You are growing. You are learning. You are under pressure. You are building your future. But don't let Ramadan slip away. You don't need to restart next year. Restart today if you were lazy. Restart. If you missed prayers, restart. If your heart feels distant, restart. The middle of Ramadan is not the end of motivation. It is the beginning of maturity. Ramadan is not about how you started. It's about how you finish. You still have days left. You still have nights left. You still have du'as waiting to be made. You still have forgiveness waiting to be accepted. Allah is not looking for perfect youth. He is looking for sincere ones. So take a deep breath, make wudu, pray 2 rak'ah, say, Ya Allah, I'm trying, and keep going. Because it is never too late to restart Ramadan.